Did you know that as of 2023, Facebook has over 2.8 billion monthly active users? That's more than a third of the entire world's population. Astounding, isn't it? As one of the most influential social media platforms in the world, Facebook offers an array of opportunities. Whether you want to keep up with friends, share your thoughts, promote a business, or even start a social movement, Facebook provides the tools you need. Today, we delve into the secrets of maximizing Facebook usage. Tip 1. Use Save for Later. Ever stumble upon an interesting article but don't have time to read it? Facebook's Save for Later feature comes in handy. Simply click on the 3 dots on the top right of the post and select Save Post. You can access it later under the Saved tab on the left side of your homepage. Tip 2. Customize your newsfeed. If you find your newsfeed cluttered with posts you're not interested in, take control. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Newsfeed Preferences. From there, you can prioritize who to see first, unfollow users, reconnect with people you've unfollowed, and discover pages that match your interests. Tip 3. Make use of Facebook groups. Groups are a great way to connect with like-minded individuals or to share information about a specific topic. You can join existing groups or create your own. Tip 4. Manage your privacy settings. It's crucial to understand what information you're sharing and with whom. Under Settings and Privacy, you'll find Privacy Checkup. This tool guides you through your current settings and helps you adjust them to suit your comfort level. Tip 5. Explore Facebook Marketplace. Looking for a secondhand bicycle or perhaps selling your old guitar? Facebook Marketplace acts as a local classified section, connecting buyers and sellers in the same vicinity. Tip 6. Try out Facebook Watch. If you're into videos, Facebook Watch is for you. It offers a variety of content, from short clips to full-length movies and TV shows. These are just a few tips to help you maximize your Facebook experience. Each feature provides a unique way to connect, share, and engage with the world around you. So take a moment, explore these features, and make the most of what Facebook has to offer. Remember, Facebook isn't just a platform, it's a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well you use it. So go ahead, give these strategies a try. You might just discover a whole new way to enjoy Facebook.